Can Salesforce be customized to my industry requirement? The answer is yes, of course. Salesforce CRM can be extensively customized to your industry requirement, not only that, to your company's specific need also. Hi, my name is Raman and I'm from a company called Emerging Alliance, a certified Salesforce channel partner for the past 15 years. In my experience of working with more than 100 plus companies spread across 30 to 35 industry verticals, I have come across the entire spectrum of Salesforce customizations. The uniqueness of Salesforce is, even though it is an enterprise solution, it has very high capability of customization. Salesforce offers industry-specific customization through its industry clouds, such as the manufacturing cloud, the financial services cloud, the health cloud, and more like this. We look point by point what are the various types of customization that you can do in Salesforce. I'm just going to cover the major customization types that you can ensure in Salesforce. The first one is building custom objects and custom fields. Now, your company might have specific requirements which is required by your industry or by your company itself, which is something that's not available in Salesforce as standard. In that case, if there's a field or an object or a page, anything that you want to create which is not there in Salesforce, that can be created. Now, this creation is very easy to do and it gets upgraded without affecting the customizations that you have done. So, any additional fields required, any objects required that is specific to your industry, to your company, those can be very easily customized. The second one is automation. Within Salesforce, any kind of workflow automations can be built. The workflow automations can be like your approval process. So you can very easily have for every transaction in Salesforce a maker and a checker, or a single maker, multiple checker. Not just the approval process, the workflow automation can be introduced in any transactions that you do in Salesforce, like lead management, opportunity management, service call management, and so on. The third one is integrations. Now, Salesforce can be easily integrated with any other third-party applications or any other software applications that you're using in your company. Might it be an ERP like Oracle or SAP, or an e-commerce solution, or a website from where you fetch your customers or bring in your leads. Salesforce has got out-of-the-box API through which you can build your integrations very easily. And remember, once again, the upgrades happening in Salesforce is not going to affect your integrations. Now, this integration capability makes sure that you do not disturb all the other software applications that you are using in your company and ensure that Salesforce accommodates all the other applications by integrating them into itself. The fourth one is customization of dashboard and report. Now, a CRM software is totally incomplete and of no use if you do not have the dashboards and reports that you want in a way that is suitable for your business, suitable for your industry. Now, that's where the dashboards and reports in Salesforce are highly customizable. You can basically build any kind of reports that you want. And not only that, if there are changes that needs to be made to the reports, you can always do it by yourself. You don't need a consultant or you don't need a Salesforce expert to do it. Now, in all enterprise level applications, the biggest problem is whenever there is a new requirement of report or a change in report, it is always a change request. Now, that is something that you can take it away in Salesforce. The same is also applicable to dashboards. Now, that makes Salesforce a deadly combination of entering the data and looking at the data in the way you want to see it as a report and dashboard. The fifth and the last one is industry-specific apps. The App Exchange in Salesforce is something like a marketplace where similar industry like yours or similar company like yours already had a requirement and they had built an app and they can have their app posted in the marketplace, wherein if you think that app is suitable to you, you can go and buy it or subscribe to it. And thus making sure that you do not reinvent the wheel. You always take what is available as a pre-built app available within the Salesforce environment. Now, that saves a lot of money and a lot of time on customizing Salesforce. There are thousands of pre-built Salesforce app available in App Exchange, which every industry can find which is suitable to them. Now, summarizing what I have said, irrespective of which industry you belong to, irrespective of what kind of specific requirement that your company has developed as a legacy, you can have that built into Salesforce. Might be an additional field or an additional column or additional page itself, or linking one page to another page, or automating the workflow. All of those can be built into Salesforce. So whether you are small or a large enterprises, whether you have a small requirement for customization or a huge requirement for customization, those can definitely met in Salesforce. Now, if you're a company who's planning to use Salesforce but are stuck because you think Salesforce cannot be customized, or a company which has already implemented Salesforce and are facing issues in customizing Salesforce, please feel free to talk to us. We will be more than happy to have a one-on-one discussion with you. In that discussion, we'll hear to your requirements, guide what you need to do, and see if there's an opportunity to work together. Our contact details are available in the description below. And as I said, we'll be more than happy and glad in having a one-on-one discussion with you. Thank you, and look forward to meeting you on one more video on Salesforce.